So let's learn what parallel construction is. This is something that you're going to really want to remember when writing. It's very important. And I have a definition here for you. So parallel construction is the use of the same grammatical pattern for all items in the list, ensuring that they're all matching forms like verbs, nouns, or gerunds. So just reading this is not very clear, so I'm going to give you some examples. So let's start with one example, and I want you to tell me pause the video and try to figure out what's wrong with this sentence. So, I like running, cooking, and to read. So pause the video and try to identify what's wrong with this sentence, why it's not necessarily giving us parallel construction. Okay, so if you've paused the video, I hope you figured out what's the problem here. So we have essentially two verbs ending in ing here, and then we have an infinitive here. So if you go back to the definition of parallel construction, is that we want to keep the same grammatical pattern. So in this case, we have two that end in ing, and then we have an infinitive. So we don't want that. We want everything to be the same. Either all of them end in ing, verbs ending in ing, or they're all infinitives. So the quick way to fix this, of course there's multiple ways to fix this, but you can just say, and again you can always pause the video and see how you can fix this, and you can put it in the comments. So I like running, cooking, and reading. So this right here is perfect. So this is good because they're all verbs ending in ing. We have 3 of them. So this is considered parallel construction. I'll give you another example and pause the video and see if it's correct or not. Okay, so here's another example. I'll just write it as example 2. So the dog wants food, water, and to play. So pause the video and see what's wrong with this one. So in this case, the issue is that we have 2 nouns and then again we have an infinitive. So remember what we said, parallel construction, you want the items in the list to be of the same grammatical form. In this case, we have a noun and then we have an infinitive. We don't want that. We want everything to be the same. So in this case, the quickest way to solve this is to make everything into a noun. And you can try to write what makes sense to you. You can put that in the comments. But the quick solution to this is the dog wants food, water, and toys. Now you can always use your own example, but in this case, here we have all nouns, right? So this is parallel. So I hope those two examples helped clarify what parallel construction is. It's important to use this in your writing. If this helped you understand what parallel construction is, please like the video and please subscribe.